guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am so excited to share with you guys. This is my kids' bathroom upstairs, and you guys never see this room because it has been so hideous for so long. And we finally redid it, and I'm so excited to show you guys the big reveal of our kids' bathroom. Now, we are not completely finished with it. We still have to put the baseboards down and crown molding up top. We basically just repainted everything. So this was a very inexpensive, not remodel, but makeover. So these are the two light fixtures that I had to scrub first before I could paint. And I decided to use a spray chalk paint, which we already had. And the paint that we used for the walls was a huge 5-gallon bucket of white paint that we also already had. And my husband is the one who did the primer. He did 2 coats of primer on the walls and on the trim and door. Oh, he also did the cabinets right there. And I went behind him afterward and I did 3 coats of the semi-gloss white paint on the cabinets, on the door, and on the trim. But he is the one who painted the walls, and then of course you saw the accent wall at the very beginning, which I'm so excited about. So this is what it looks like now when you walk in. Before, there was wallpaper on every single wall, and this wall right here was the hardest to get off. So we had to think of something else other than just painting, and we decided to get this peel and stick wallpaper from Lowe's. It was our biggest expenditure for this makeover, and this is a sign that I actually made from a palette that we found in our backyard, and I painted it, and I just thought it was really cute. Any of the gray things that you see in the bathroom, like the towel racks or the doorknob, they were painted with the spray chalk paint. And this shower curtain was already there. It was a shower curtain that I had picked out before, but I bought this white one to go on top. I thought it made it look more clean and crisp in the bathroom. And these mirrors, they are 2 different shapes and 2 different sizes, but I thought it looked really well. Here's the cabinets after they've been painted completely white. We did not paint or do anything with the countertop because that's just too expensive at the moment. But you can see that the light fixtures are now painted with the chalk paint gray instead of the gold or brass look that they were. Getting back to the accent wall, when my husband was trying to fill in the holes with the mud, it just ended up looking really bad whenever we painted it. So we decided to go with this peel and stick wallpaper. Like I said, we got it from Lowe's, and it's probably more expensive there, but we have a Lowe's credit card and we do get 5% off of all purchases at Lowe's with the credit card. So they were $40 a roll and we got 2 rolls. So it was $80 for the peel and stick wallpaper, but I definitely think it's worth it because it covered up so many imperfections that were on that wall. It just would have looked really bad if we would have just left it white. And I had a lot of fun actually putting it up. I definitely want to buy this type of wallpaper again. Once you got the first section put up, it was very easy after that. I love the final outcome of this entire bathroom. The shower curtain I did actually spend money on too as well. It was $19. The flowers I already had from the Dollar Tree, along with that little mason jar vase that also came from the Dollar Tree. Once you include the wallpaper, the shower curtain, and the baseboards, which we purchased, it comes out to around $125, which is not that bad to make over an entire bathroom. Like I said, we already had the paint, we already had the kills, we already had the spray paint. And so, yeah, I thought it turned out awesome. I love the way it looks. All of my kids love the way that it looks. I also wanted to mention about the 2 mirrors. One of them I've had for about 12 years, and the other one came with the house basically, and I wanted to paint them. One of them was black and the other one was gold, so I painted them both the same color. And the paint that I used was free. It came from a place that we have here in town where you can actually pick up free Oops paint, and I have several different shades of gray because gray and white are my favorite colors to use in the house. So I used a lighter gray on both of those mirrors, and yeah, so I really like the way that it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.